Watch closely, this is not a cannon. It's a portable steel furnace in Pakistan. When a truck breaks down even in the pouring rain, the craftsman will fix it for you without charging extra. You can see the brake drum is severely damaged. It's beyond welding repair. So the craftsman uses a hammer to break it into small pieces. He loads the broken pieces, only 500 grams at a time, and takes them to the outdoor furnace. He places the brake drum pieces into the furnace, then adds motor oil from above as the temperature rises. The experienced craftsman starts the melting process. He constantly monitors the internal temperature. Meanwhile, another craftsman begins making the mold. He filters the sand, removing unusable parts, puts the selected sand into a mixer, adds a binder during mixing to ensure better shaping. After 20 minutes of mixing, he pours the sand into the mold, then places the sandbox on top and fills it completely. He compacts the sand tightly. This is very important. He scrapes off the excess and cleans the pouring gate. The initial mold is ready. He sprays a layer of release agent on it and uses a torch to dry it, making the mold stronger. He assembles the two mold pieces and places an iron block on top. By now the scrap iron has melted. The craftsman stirs the molten metal with an iron rod. This step requires great care. He pours the molten metal slowly into the pouring gate. This step must be done by an experienced craftsman. After pouring, he sprinkles water to cool the mold faster. When he opens the mold, the temperature is still very high. Once fully cooled, he uses tools to remove surface impurities, then places the brake drum on a lathe to smooth the rough surface. As the lathe spins, the surface becomes very smooth. He switches to another machine to drill the necessary holes. After finishing, he paints it to enhance durability and appearance. Once everything is done, he starts the installation. Knowing the owner is in a hurry, he works in the rain to assemble it. With skilled hands, he quickly completes the installation. The craftsman's repair skills are truly impressive.